Success Principle series going on. Today's topic, stop being hard on yourself. Why? Because it doesn't help anyone. It doesn't help you. It doesn't help anyone else around you. So why? And I'm just sharing my experience because I used to be really hard on myself. First of all, don't compare yourself with anyone else because there are always people who are better than you. There are always people who are little less than you in some area or other. And many times what happens when you compare your worst with someone else's best. And that doesn't help anyone because then you always turn out to be a loser. Why? Why do you want to do that? Yeah, you can compare, but you compare yourself with your today than yesterday. As far as you are today better than yesterday, it is a progress. So that's the only thing matters. Stop comparing yourself with others because it doesn't help anyway. Please don't do that. And someone or other, everyone is blessed in some area or other. So, and we don't know when we compare ourselves, we don't know the complete truth about other person. So how can you compare and why do you want to compare? It doesn't help you. You have to choose the things which only help you. Why not? Yeah. So I wanted to list the 7 things which really helped me in my life. Just little tweaks here and there, not a major change. But just wanted to tell you how my life journey progressed. First of all, I remember that was always in my mind. Okay, I want to make $10 million. I want to make this. I want to make that. And so instead of that, means I want to make $10 million. Instead of that, when I started growing, I realized I just wanted to make little change. I want to make positive impact. And when you want to make positive impact, of course, you gain money, but of course you get positive attitude, you gain everything, you get blessed in each and every area. So instead of just saying I want to make $10 million, you can just say I want to make positive impact. Now, later part in my journey, I wanted to say that, okay, I wanted to find perfect partner. Now again, I'm putting my happiness into someone else's. Because what if that partner is not perfect? Then I'm not happy. Then whether I'm going to go and find another partner, how many partners I keep on looking for? Because one after the other, one after the other. Why? Instead of that, find excellence in myself. And when I started looking for excellence in myself, I found perfect partner too, and I gained actually peace of mind. I'm not saying my husband is perfect, but he's perfect for me. Yeah, means that is what it counts, right? So instead of finding perfect partner, it is better to find the excellence in yourself. Third thing, it was like that, oh, I wanted to collect lots of luxury items, yeah, because, yeah, why not to have the best? Why not, right? You have only one life to live. But as I progressed in my life, I realized it really didn't matter whether I wear diamonds or cubic zirconia, whether I wear real gold or gold-plated jewelry. It really didn't matter because that is not that important. Instead of that, I wanted to collect beautiful memories, beautiful experiences. Then I realized that I'm on this earth to actually go through lots of nice experiences. And that is what matters. And thank God, the moment I changed my attitude, my focus, I did collect a lot of beautiful memories. So instead of collecting luxury items, it is always better to collect beautiful memories. Fourth thing, I wanted to gain recognition. Gain recognition from whom? From people. Then I realized, okay, I will gain recognition from people. Today they will say something else. Tomorrow they will say something totally different or something totally opposite. It didn't matter whether they recognize me or not. The main recognition I wanted was from the creator. Because creators talk and truth and all, it doesn't keep on changing. Whatever is there is there. So it is better to get all the recognition from the creator, connect with the creator. Right? That was more important. Then it really didn't matter because means you cannot put again your happiness into someone else's hand. Why do you want recognition from people? As far as you are happy, you are connected with the creator, you are getting recognized from them. Yeah, that is the most important thing. The creator is the most important thing. Don't go for recognition from people. Yeah, means that's why actually my spiritual guru always says the politicians and Hollywood people basically they are really not right for the spiritual path because they always want the recognition from other people, and it's more like you are going for your ego, not for your soul. So better to go for your soul. Again, the last another thing, I always thought that okay, if I make more money, my family will be happy. And when I got my family, I realized my family was really happy when I was happy. When I was happy, I could give happiness to other people, and everyone who was coming in connection, contact with me, everyone around me was becoming happy. So just by making more money for family was not making my family happy. I don't know from where I got that idea that okay, if I make more money, my family will be happy. My family was more happy when I was spending time with them. When I was happy, they were happy. So that also it is not important. What is the point? Means you keep on running after money, and by the time you realize you have a breather, your kids are grown up now, they don't want to spend time with you. Why do you want to be in that situation? uh, then sixth thing, get more stuff. I mentioned previously about the luxury stuff, but this is a different thing. Means get more stuff. In general, we just keep on getting more and more stuff. And at some point of my life, I realized I have become a hoarder, just too much of stuff, and energy is not flowing through my life, through my house. Nothing is happening. It was just like stagnated. And then we started just giving away the stuff. No, there is a lot of space. Now we can breathe. There is a lot of energies flowing through. Overall, getting more blessings. So instead of getting more stuff, it is better to get more blessings. No, just give away stuff. It is more like we are mimicking the creator because creator keeps on giving us without any agenda. For example, sun gives us light and he's not asking anything in return to us. So givers actually are more always more happy. So why to get more stuff? Instead of that, get more blessings. That will help you in life long way all the time. Lastly, always wanted to pursue a career which gave me more money. And at certain point realize it is better to have a career about which I am excited. Because if I have a career which I love to do, I won't get Monday blues. Because when you do what you really love, every work what you do, it is such a piece of joy. You will thoroughly enjoy. Then you won't have TGIF. No, it is not thank God. It is Friday. Every day is a blessing. You will enjoy your each and every moment in your life. Take eyes off yourself and put on other people. It's really a lot of fun way to live your life. So these are the 7 things which really helped me in my life. Just wanted to summarize the first thing. Instead of making $10 million, it was better to make positive impact. Second was, instead of finding perfect partner, it is better to find the excellence in myself. Third, instead of collecting luxury items, it is better to collect beautiful memories. Fourth, instead of gaining recognition from people, it is better to gain recognition from the creator. Fifth, Instead of making more money to make my family happy, be happy and spend more time with the family. Sixth, get more stuff. Instead of getting more stuff, get more blessings. And lastly, instead of pursuing the career which can give me more money, pursue the career which can give me more happiness, which I really love to do. Find your passion. Everyone is passionate about something or other. Find your passion, follow your passion, add value with your passion into other people's life, and you will be rewarded immensely. This is what means I'm called to do. I just like to give free information for people to start their own business, like to give value added resources to grow their business, to organize their life. Please contact me if you need anything. I personally may not be able to help you for everything, but of course, I can provide you resources who can help you, other people who know more than me in those areas, and they can help you somewhere or other. But please don't hesitate to contact us, and God bless you. Thank you.